In this video, I'll guide you through how to get level 2 on Webull. Whether you're an experienced trader or just beginning your journey, gaining access to level 2 options can be a valuable asset in your trading toolkit. So let's dive in and see how you can unlock this feature on your Webull account. First things first, open the Webull app on your device and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the screen or locate the menu option. This is where you can access your account settings, which is the starting point for upgrading your options trading level. Now, in your account settings, you'll need to look for the options trading section. It's important to tap on this to proceed with your application. This will take you to an application form, which is the key to advancing to level 2 options. When you're at the form, take your time to fill it out carefully. You'll need to provide accurate information about your investment experience, financial situation, and risk tolerance. These details are crucial as they help Webull assess your qualification for level 2 options trading. Be honest and thorough with your responses to avoid any potential issues down the line. Before you submit the form, ensure that you read through the client agreement. It's a necessary step to familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of options trading on Webull. Once you're comfortable with the agreement, go ahead and submit your application by tapping the Submit button. Now, your application is in Webull's hands. The team will review your submission to determine if you qualify for level 2 options trading or possibly higher. Approval largely depends on your trading experience and the answers you've provided in the application form, so make sure everything is spot on. If your application is approved, congratulations, your account will be upgraded to level 2 options trading, giving you more flexibility and opportunities in your trading activities, and there you have it. That's how to get level 2 on Webull. Remember, trading always involves risks, so continue to educate yourself and trade responsibly. Thanks for watching and happy trading.